Hello students, welcome to the virtual English class by Javier, your English teacher. For this class, we are going to watch elision. What is elision? Elision means omitting one or more sounds in a word or phrase to make it easier to pronounce. Elision can help your American English sound smoother and more natural. We can see they use the elision correctly. Therefore, we can use like a robot. No, that when we are talking English, it sound more natural. What does it work? What does it work? When T or D comes between two consonants and the F of the syllable is get eleved. Yeah? For example, when you have two words or when we have a finished T or D, normally we pronounce that word with that accent with the sound T. For example, we have here scripts, but with elision is scripts. Acts, with elision is acts. Facts, facts. Attempts, attempts. Postcard, postcard. Hand-son, hand-son. Friendship, friendship. You can see we can to get the elision. Okay, now read this. We are going to read this paragraph, but no elision, no elision. I start a friendship with a hand-son artist. He paints a landscape for the past 3 years. He's worked hard and become successful. Now the most famous painting is printed on the postcards. Yes, you can see when we are reading this paragraph with no elision. Now we are going to read this paragraph but with elision. Look at this. I start a friendship with a hands-on artist. He paints landscape for the past 3 years. He's worked hard and become successful. Now his most famous painting is printed in a postcard. You can see this is elision. Okay, this is the class for today and I hope you learned. Goodbye guys.